Hey y'all, what's good? It's your favorite Cheeto head, Kera Jaay, back at it again for another video. So basically in today's video, hi, back at it again. I'm just going to darken my roots because they're a little too hot for me. So I'm actually going to pretty much go back to how my hair was, but now my roots are like this. So I actually did achieve something, so you guys can judge me not. Anyways, so in today's video, I'm going to go over the roots of my hair. So basically taking an ombre type of thing, and I'm probably going to take it down on some of the lengths just to have like highlights, even though like it's already highlighted. Like my hair's, it looks really good. Like I really like it, but the roots are just too hot for me. Like I'm feeling the moment it's giving me right now, but yeah, they're a little too hot for me. So I'm gonna lower them a bit. I'm gonna turn the volume down and not be such a Cheeto head. So today I'm gonna use my leftover dyes. So I'm gonna be using this Chi Chroma Silk, what is it? Chroma Shine Dangerously Red. I'm going to also mix, where'd it go? Here it is. I'm also gonna mix some of the Sunrise Orange that I used in my last video. I might upload these back to back because you know me in editing, because I'm trash at it. I'm really feeling this right now. Like I'm actually really feeling it. My hair looks really good right now. But I already made up my mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and darken the roots. I'm gonna mix Dangerously Red and this color together. And yeah. Hey, I'm back. So I have my color mixed up and it looks delicious. And I don't have a lot of it, so I'm going to definitely start at the top of my head because I don't want to end up running out and looking like ridiculous. So I'm going to get that together. I'm going to section my hair. Off like this. Now I'm going to take a section across, like this. Section that down. This is just my guide. You know, it's not perfect. It's not. I thought I had more dye than I do, to be honest, but I really just want to get the hotness off my head. So I think it'll be alright. So anyway, yeah, we gonna get it together. Hello. So I'm back. My camera was exhausted and died on me when I was doing the color. So I'm all colored up. It's been on for probably almost an hour. I'm gonna go wash it off. So when it's washed out, I'll be back and I'll show you the results of that. And I'm probably gonna retwist my hair because I'm tired of looking crazy. So yeah, but I'm not gonna film that because I'm just not. So I'll be back when my hair's unwashed to show you the result. And yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to hair reveal time. So anyways, I just washed out my hair. I have not looked at it. I looked around the edges because duh. And I think it is really good. So yes. Yes, this is so good. Oh yes, I love it. So much better. I can live with this. This is a hot color I can deal with. And it goes darker to lighter because I didn't really touch the ends because I had no hair dye too. And it's just way better. This is so good. This is so good. It looks so good. So even. The hair's so soft. I love that hair dye. I recommend that Chi hair dye for sure. It makes my hair so soft and curly. Like, look at it. I could chop my hair off and have a whole TWA right now. But yeah, so this is my hair color reveal. So much better. I love it. It's still really gingery on the ends, but it looks so good. It looks so much better. It looks so much better. It looks so much better. I don't feel embarrassed anymore. I actually can wear this and not feel like a psychopath because I actually feel really good and normal in this color. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna go do my hair now. Okay, bye.